Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. We've got some exciting AMD news today, especially for all you Ryzen fans out there. Before we head in, I need your help. Did you know that 99% of you watching right now aren't subscribed? That's almost all of you. If you're enjoying the content and want to keep up with all the latest tech updates, please hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel and you'll never miss out on the latest news. Your support means the world. Thanks for being here. It looks like the upcoming Ryzen 7 9800X3D could be a game changer, with some leaked specs that are sure to make gamers and power users alike sit up and take notice. So let's dive into the juicy details. Alright, here's what's going on. AMD is gearing up to launch its next-gen Ryzen 9000 series CPUs, featuring 3D V cache, and a new leak has just surfaced that could give us a glimpse of what's coming. According to a Cinebench R23 benchmark spotted on the Chinese platform Bilibili, the Ryzen 7 9800X3D is boasting a 4.7 GHz base clock. That's a massive 900 MHz higher than the standard Ryzen 7 9700X's 3.8 GHz base clock. Now, if this is true, it would mark a first for AMD's 3D V cache models, which traditionally had lower base clocks compared to their standard counterparts. Just to give you some perspective, previous X3D chips like the Ryzen 9 7950X3D had a lower base clock than their non-3D variants. But this new leak suggests that AMD's engineers have pulled off something pretty impressive with the new Zen 5 architecture and stacked 3D V cache, allowing the 9800X3D to hit a 5.2 GHz all-core boost under full load. That's 400 MHz higher than the non-X3D Ryzen 7 9700X, folks. Of course, we have to take these unverified leaks with a grain of salt, but there's more to the story. Rumor has it that the Ryzen 7 9800X3D could hit the shelves as early as November 1st, with pre-orders potentially opening up a few days before. If this information from the Chipple forums is accurate, it seems AMD might be pushing up the launch date. Why? Well, some insiders are suggesting that it could be because the standard Ryzen 9000 Granite Ridge chips didn't quite deliver the performance gains that AMD was aiming for, with Intel's Arrow Lake S CPU also dropping soon. Team Red may be looking to reignite excitement in the desktop space. If all goes according to plan, we can expect a full lineup of Ryzen 9000 X3D CPU with 64 MB of 3D V cache, including the 16-core Ryzen 9 9950X3D, the 12-core 9900X3D, and of course the 8-core Ryzen 7 9800X3D. It looks like AMD is aiming to cover all bases, from high-end gaming rigs to powerful content creation setups. Now, if you're as hyped as I am about this, let me know in the comments. Do you think the Ryzen 7 9800X3? These rumored clock speeds could give it the edge over Intel's upcoming lineup? Or is AMD just playing catch-up here? And speaking of powerful CPUs, did you hear that AMD's Ryzen 9 9950X recently broke an overclocking world record? Thanks to the folks at Asus, they pushed the chip to an incredible 7.54 GHz using liquid nitrogen cooling. It set records across multiple benchmarks, including Cinebench, Geekbench, and 7-Zip. Just insane, right? Alright, that's it for today's AMD update. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You know, over 99% of you watching right now aren't subscribed, so help a tech lover out and stay tuned for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech news and reviews. See you soon.